everyone, this is Brandon from 2A Direct, and today we're going to be talking about Vertex Radio earpieces. All right, now before you choose an earpiece, you want to find out what type of radio connector you have. By the way, if you need help at any time, feel free to give us a call at 888-742-5893, and a specialist will be able to help you out. All right, so if you have a radio handy, look on the front or maybe the side and you might see a model number. If not there, try taking off the battery, and on the back of the radio you'll see a little white sticker and it should say a model number on there. But again, if you don't find it, feel free to give us a call. We'd be glad to help you out. Okay, let's take a look at the Vertex radio connector options. Now keep in mind, Vertex has recently been rebranded as Motorola, so the front of your radio may say Vertex Standard or it may say Motorola. Either way, the radio models have stayed the same. So let's take a look at the connectors. First, we've got the Y4. This is the most popular connector. This is a single pin with 2 screws on each side. This is going to work with the VX230, 350, and 450 series radios, as well as the VX and EVX260 series and the EVX530 series radios. Next, we've got the Y5 multi-pin connector. That's going to work for the higher-end VX800 and 900 series radios, along with the VXD720 radios. And last, we've got the Y6, which is also a multi-pin connector, and that's going to work for the EVX S24 series radios. All right, now that you've identified your connector, let's take a look at your Vertex Radio earpiece options. Now, starting with the least expensive option, we've got the Shell Earpiece, which is a one-wire kit that fits on the outside of your ear. Next, we've got a Hook Earpiece, which is also a one-wire kit and fits on the outside of your ear as well. These are great for sharing with employees, so you don't have an earbud that fits on the inside of your ear. It's easy to clean and easy to interchange between employees. Next, we've got kind of a step up. It's a 2-wire surveillance kit. Now, the 2-wire surveillance kit is a little bit more discreet. It's also known as a Secret Service style earpiece. So there's a clear coil that comes behind your ear and a memory foam ear tip that fits on the inside of your ear canal. And what's great about the memory foam ear tip is it feels a lot more comfortable for long-term use. And once it's in your ear, it expands, so it blocks out a lot of external noise, so you can hear the radio transmission a lot more clear. Next, we've got the heavy-duty 2-wire surveillance kit, which is the same earpiece. It's just reinforced cabling with Kevlar reinforcement, so it's a little bit more durable. Be sure to click the link in the description to view all your earpiece options for your 2-way radios. You'll notice a left-hand navigation menu to be able to filter by your current radio model. Once you do that, you can narrow your results for the earpieces that work best for you. And if you like this video, found it helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel. If you have any other ideas for any other videos that we should do, feel free to comment below. Thanks a lot.